Today I am talking about something special about these stocks. These stocks traded at this moment $159. These stocks give us today's return, which is 4% more than. In the last 5 days, these stocks give more than 5% return. In the last 1 month, these stocks give approx more than 10% return. In the last 6 months, these stocks give on an average return. In the last year to date return, these stocks give only 30% return. I am not telling you to buy or sell these stocks. I just break down the numbers so you can decide smarter. In the last 1 year, these stocks make 50% return. In the last 5 years, these stocks give 181% return. That is very good. Absolutely, you can give about these stocks good return. You can get good return. But if you see the maximum return, these stocks give only 1800%. Here you can see how much return these stocks give to investors. So what do you think about these stocks? Please comment below. And always do your own research before investing. Follow for more US stocks breakdown.